Kasanchita kabadai ka wayna padang kinoy sat an kabalala ban Punjab ya ka Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lingdo ka MLA jong ka East Shillong but menteri break mi ya katanat ka kot ka kya ka sarkar jalla nakamukadma ta siali ya ki score sheet examine jong kinoy kai government LP school kabalan ne khatnyos nam nadu snam arajar pra kalapan shai baka shong ha ka CBI lakan Mudui ni em ya ka Raipan Ksan ya ka Dr. Ampareen Lingdo da ka Meghalaya High Court Habashim banta ban kran ban rap lingba ka video conference haka jingkran ka Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lingdo Shakilat Pathai Kubor haka janme jong ka South Regunai Lor Arja Arpusan ban pentep baga Meghalaya High Court kala Raipan Ksanya ka nakatay ka mukadama ka Sanchita kalaong bakila long Pynkhreh kum kinoy sat an lada ka CBI ka yat chakman.
So the judgment has not been uploaded yet. It was pronounced in open court today by the Honorable Chief Justice. And he said in clear terms that she's been discharged. All the charges against her have been quashed. The order passed by the trial court, which framed charges against her, that has been set aside. Therefore, no case exists against her as on date.
So if the CBI moves Supreme Court, you are ready to fight the case till the Supreme Court?
Of course. Definitely. We believe in the innocence, and we believe that this judgment of the Honorable High Court will be upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court as well. This chapter is closed. Of course, CBI has a right to challenge the order before the Supreme Court. Whether or not they'll avail of it is another question. But the Honorable High Court has found her to be not involved in any of the charges that she was accused of. As on date, that's the status.
But what about the affected candidates? Will they be reinstated, the so-called tainted?
That was already decided by the high-level committee. So that was only the criminal culpability part was an issue because this was a criminal case. So only that was an issue here. So that has been decided. The taintedness and all of that had already been decided. It was an issue that had been closed long ago. So at this moment, this case was restricted only to the criminal culpability.
It was the High Court itself which ordered to file FIR by the CBI. So is it the order going against the High Court itself?
See, there's a difference between asking the CBI to investigate and to say that you find her guilty. There's a difference between that. CBI had only been asked to investigate. Now, the charge sheet that they filed was flawed, and therefore the court held that case does not meet out against us, based on the charge sheet that they filed.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakhun diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya